Iowa ingredient chef Katy Meyer from Trumpet Blossom Cafe in Iowa City. I have my favorite helper with me. Do you want to say hi?
Aaron.
This is Aaron. All right, so we are going to make a quick smoothie. It's a really great way to get a lot of vitamins in one nice drink, and it's also a way to use up stuff that maybe you just have kicking around in the freezer or in the cupboard. So we are going to start with some soy milk, which is going to be our liquid. You could use whatever milk you want. Here at the restaurant, scratch that, at the restaurant I have a really nice high-speed blender, but here at home I have a regular old blender. So we want to make sure we put our liquid in first. We are also using some soy yogurt. It's a nice source of protein, and it's also kind of a thickener because here we have some frozen fruits, and I only had half a banana in the freezer. Normally banana would be the nice thickener for the smoothie, so we threw in a little soy yogurt to help thicken it up a little bit. So we have banana, we have pineapple, and we also have blueberries. We also have some baby spinach here.
Can I get them?
Yeah, do it. Thank you. Thank you. Great. We're also going to add a little bit of powdered turmeric and a little bit of powdered ginger. You want to put this in? The ginger. And also some cinnamon. You could use fresh ginger and fresh turmeric if you have those. We don't right now, so we're just using dried. These are really nice sources of immunity boosters, and they just add a nice bit of warmth and flavor to our smoothie. All right, I'll give it a taste. I think it's done. I think it's blended. You want the green straw, right? All right, cheers. Delicious. Thank you for joining us, and watch for the new season of Iowa Ingredient to start April 2nd. And maybe we'll see you with another video soon. Take care. Thanks so much. Wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.